Take a ride in the 2020 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control. Inside you'll find ventilated front seats, heated front seats, adjustable pedals, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.